...2015 15-plate BMW 320d M Sport X-Drive. We have LED headlights, we have black kidney grills, we also have M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirts and boot spoiler. We have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels with M Sport brake calipers. We have side skirt extensions with M Performance decals, black window trim, as well as privacy glass and boot spoiler. We have rear parking sensors, we have rear diffuser. There's a look at that boot spoiler. And there's a look at the side skirt extensions and the decals. If you go inside the car, we have full Dakota leather rear seats with ISO fixed points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. We also have electric windows with integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Go to the front of the car. There's a look at the driver's full leather seat. We have electric windows again and integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Inside the car, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, we have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. We also have auto wipers. We also have the lights just there. We do have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity, DAB radio, phone connectivity, and there's a look at the rear reversing sensor. This vehicle has done just over 22,400 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We also have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. Heated front seats, which again work just as you would expect it to, and are perfect for a cold day like today. We have storage with 12-volt connectivity just there. 2 nice sized cup holders just under there with different drive modes. So we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. You can also turn traction control on and off. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest, and there's a look at the passenger's full leather seat with extended 5 Sport if you may need it. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, with do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.